Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Since and the plans they made put an end to you. I woke out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, you turn your head around. When there's hours of time of the telephone line to talk about the things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. No, but I see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. But I see you, though I see you fly away now. La 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 la. La